and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Are you ready to step into the world of digital entrepreneurship? Do you want to start an online business where profits flow effortlessly? Then behold, the innovation you've been waiting for. Ever wondered how some of us have skyrocketed our fortunes by selling PLR products online? What's holding you back from ascending to the ranks of digital marketing's elite? Well, that all changes today. Introducing Recurring Income Masterclass with complete private label rights. A comprehensive step-by-step guide you need to kickstart your online business and start making recurring income online. Our product is engineered for simplicity, so you don't need any expertise to start earning money. This step-by-step guide will provide you with everything you need to start a profit-generating online business. This hands-on guide will teach you the fundamentals of building a sustainable income model that relies on recurring subscriptions. Discover the essential elements needed to create a user-friendly and engaging platform. Dive deep into the diverse landscape of membership models. Explore subscription tiers, access levels, and pricing strategies to tailor your membership site to your unique vision and audience. Learn to articulate your value proposition effectively to attract and retain members. From website setup to content creation, discover the strategies to execute a successful launch and generate excitement among your audience. Explore marketing tactics and engagement strategies to drive traffic to your membership site. Uncover strategies to sustainably grow your membership site. Learn the secrets to member retention and community engagement. Explore best practices for delivering value, fostering connections, and creating a supportive environment that keeps members coming back for more. Discover how to iterate and improve your membership site, ensuring its continued growth and success in the ever-evolving landscape. And so much more. Here's what you will receive when you purchase your package today. Module 1, Premium Quality Guide. Module 2, Checklist. Module 3, Mind Map. Module 4, Resource Cheat Sheet. Module 5, Ready-Made Sales Letter and Thank You Page. Module 6, Lead Magnet and Opt-in Page. Module 7, High-Quality Professional Graphics. Module 8, 10 High-Quality Articles. Module 9, Promotional Email Swipes. Module 10, Viral Social Media Images Pack. Module 11, License Pack. So what are you waiting for? You can start profiting right away and continue to reap the rewards for months to come. Buy this complete done-for-you product today, put your name on it, and keep 100% of the profits when you sell. It really is that simple. So why hesitate? Seize this extraordinary opportunity to revolutionize your online business and supercharge your profits. The time is now.
Hey guys, this is just a shout out for Regenda and Side Hustle Profits. I have to say, it is a really well put together product. I actually learned something from it. Now, I've been online for quite a few years now, and I wasn't really expecting to learn anything major from this. But I did actually learn a couple of little things from it, and that's what you want when you've got a product that you're trying to sell or put together as a PLR product, because you want to be able to find something which is going to have some real meat in it, something that's going to really grasp the person's attention and bring them forward to taking action. And this is exactly what the product does. And I have to say, he's done a great job. So Regenda, well done.